Hello everyone, namaste, welcome to Nandoos cookbook. Today's recipe is super healthy and delicious mango oats smoothie. Best option for breakfast. So let's start. Take 1 cup of milk. To that add 5 to 6 de-seeded dates. Add 3 teaspoons of oats. Rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, transfer it into the mixer jar. Add chopped ripen mangoes. Close the lid and blend it until creamy. Once it turns creamy, add 1/4 cup of sugar to it and blend it again. Those who follows diet, add 1 tablespoon of honey instead. Now the delicious mango oats smoothie is ready to serve. Tastes awesome when served chilled. So friends, try out this recipe. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandoos cookbook for more delicious recipes.